Guys, so this is supposedly dapat winters na ngayon, pero ngayon it's another snow again. So yeah, snow na naman. So now, so yan, hindi ako makapagpala. So pala-palahan na naman tayo. Wala. So, nagpala lang ako, paalis ako. So, samahan nyo ako. Okay? So, samahan nyo ako. So, punta tayo sa ayan. So, mahangin ngayon. Ayan. So, full force sa ayan, it's windy. Snow. Full winter gear. So, this is my house. So, ayan. Full okay. Samahan nyo ako. Punta tayo sa try natin makakuha ng AYUDA sa food bank kasi almost 1 month na ako'y kubuha. So ngayon we will try again if accept, because as per advice, pwede kang kumuha at least once a month. So we will try now. Hi guys, look. So kahapon wala pa tong snow na to. So overnight nag snowstorm. So now is white. So mostly white. So very big ito. So punta tayo sa kuha ng food bank. Try natin. Okay, so samahan nyo ako. So, nilalamig ng kamay ko. Oh, tumitigas na. Look. So look now, the snowflakes. Snowflakes all over the area. Look, still supposedly is the winter, the spring is coming, but no, it's not winter. It's not spring. It should be the spring is coming, but look. So did you remember last time? So I have a video this area, but now it's really snow. Look there. Snow is all over. Oh my god. The snow is see, snow all over snow. So we will go there. Also with how it's cold. here, Colchester Food Bank. Okay, so they are serving 1 to 4 p.m. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So we will try inside. Should be cold. So, so close because of try this. So okay, so this at pagkatapos yung pag-signature doon, mag-registered. Okay, so pagkatapos yung mag-registered, dito kayo pupunta. So dito nyo kukunin yung prepare nilang food pack. Okay, so this is, but now it's closed because of the weather. So that's for now. Sarado. So next time, because of the weather, so it's very hard for the driver. Okay, bye. See you next time.